Hello everyone, I'm a after-sales technician of Yuan. I'm now at the customer site in Guizhou Province, China, and this biomass pellet production line with an hourly output of 9 to -12 tons. Today I will tell you about this pellet production line. Here is a T-Rex C wood pallet crusher independently developed by Yuan. This is a Yuan rotary dryer. Because the customer's workshop is about 40 meters long and 16 meters wide, it is a bit crowded to install two large equipments. The wood pallet crusher just feeds the material from outside the workshop. The incoming material is dropped through the double sacron, and the material is sent to another workshop. Dryer here, drying stuff. Then enter here, and from here to another workshop. That workshop is a pellet mill workshop. The powdered and dried materials of the customer go directly into the pit here, passing through two belt conveyors. Down the pit are three belt conveyors, entering 3 XGJ850 pellet mills. The output of these three pellet mills is 9 to 12 tons per hour. Then go directly to the silo here. Because of the dryer controlling moisture and the compression ratio is matched. The smoothness and density of the pellets are excellent. Well, that's all for today. For more information please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.